Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to add labels to multiple parcel segments in Civil 3D. Actually we are going to annotate our subdivision plan for final submission. For example, we have a plan and we are going to produce our layouts here, and how we will annotate our parcel lines to show bearing and distinct for each segments. Although parcel are used for much more than just subdivision lots, most parcel we create will probably be used for concept plans, record plots and other legal subdivision plans. These plans, such as almost always require segment labels for bearing, distance, directions, cross feet and more. So in this exercise I will teach you how to add labels to multiple parcel segments. For this exercise you can open 509 drawing from the description link, and then you will open your drawing and note that this drawing contains many subdivision lots. And as it is I am going with real-time projects from the beginning of this course, so you can see it's the same drawing which we already have been used in the previous exercise. So if you are new here, you must need to watch the previous videos to get complete concept for this subdivision planning. Now on the Annotate tab, Labels and Tables panel, here click Add Labels icon. It will open with Add Label dialog box. From the drop down menu in the Add Labels dialog box, select Parcels as a feature, and label type should be multiple segment, because we are going to place our label on multiple segments at once. For line label style, bearing over distance should be, if you want to add any other label, then here you can make your study. There are many more labels which you can use as per your own criteria. For the curve label, you have also many labels. For now we will use delta over length and radius. Then here click Add. At the Select Parcel to be labeled by clicking on the area labels prompt, pick the area label for property 100. Once you will select your parcel, it will show you your label directions. So it is already selected as a clockwise. Just press enter to accept the default, and again press enter to exit the command. Now you can examine that each parcel segment of the property 100 should now labels. Here we have distance, then we have bearing. For this curve label we have also length, radius and delta. For this line label also have been added. All labels have been added to property 100 at once. So now continue picking property 101 to 150. Again click here Add, just select property, click clockwise and again finish your command. Again if you want to apply your command again, just press enter, select property and then enter, select property and enter, select your another parcels and enter, then clockwise and enter. So in this way you will see in a minute you can place your parcel labels for all of them. So it is the best practices to show your parcel labels in any site survey plan, in any subdivision lots, which is really very important to show your PDF sheets for submission to get city permits from any state of the USA, UK and Canada, Australian city. Hope you like this video. In the next exercise we will learn about these labels, how you can edit and how you can delete these parcel segments labels in your drawing. Stay tuned with us and stay with drawing for the next steps.